National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for Dearborn County, Ohio County, Ripley County, until 3:15 a.m. At 12:16 a.m., radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Lawrenceburg, Greendale, Aurora, Hidden Valley, Bright, Versailles, Milan, Osgood, Dillsboro, Shawnee, Moores Hill, Guilford, Wilmington, Manchester, Hartford, Holton, Cold Springs, Versailles Lake, Friendship, and Farmers Retreat. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. A tornado warning remains in effect.